Have you ever felt like stress runs your life? Let me share a little secret. Ashwagandha. You may not have heard of it, but it's an ancient herb with modern miracles. Right now, watch as we zoom in on this earthy root, often brewed into teas or encapsulated for easy access. For over 3,000 years, ashwagandha has been a cornerstone of holistic healing in Ayurveda. But what makes it so powerful for today's world? It's an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress. It doesn't just mask the symptoms, it works at the root level, balancing cortisol, your stress hormone, and promoting a sense of calm. Imagine sipping tea that feels like a warm hug for your insides. Feeling low energy? This herb can also improve stamina and concentration. Its natural compounds, called withanolides, have been shown to reduce fatigue, help you sleep better, and even improve brain function. In just about a month, ashwagandha could make a remarkable difference in your energy levels and mental clarity. And no, it's not hype. It's backed by science. Okay, let's bust a common myth. People think herbs take time to work, but many users report feeling more balanced and focused within weeks. And the best part, it's safe for most people, with very few side effects. Are you ready to leave stress behind and embrace a calmer, healthier you? Tap follow and subscribe for more secrets to natural healing. Don't wait. Anchor your health in the harbor with us today.